Hey, this is John with Refurb Kings. Got a Samsung S7 Edge. It's got a busted display, failed LCD. It actually still works, which is kind of crazy. Anyway, this is before RefurbKings.com. Remember, you break it, we fix it. You can call us at 859-233-0754 or reach us on the web at www.refurbkings.com. Remember, you break it, we fix it. Hey again, this is John Humes with Refurb Kings. Customer brought in a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, and we got a brand new display on it. Looks really good. It's got plastic on it because it's brand new. A little mark right there, that's something he did to the home button. This thing was really busted. I don't know, hopefully you've seen the video earlier. Anyway, this is John Humes. Remember, you break it, we fix it at refurbkings.com. www.refurbkings.com, or call us on the horn at 859-233-0754. Thanks again for watching. See ya.